Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your Wix website link after you have published it so people can go to that link and see your website. So what you want to do is you want to go to your Wix website dashboard, then go to edit site and it will take you into the Wix website editor. Now from here, if you haven't already published your site, you want to go to this publish in the top right hand corner and this is going to publish it to the internet. Now once you have clicked on publish, Wix will going to give you the URL. So by default it's going to be your site name .wixsite.com and you can then go ahead and either copy this, or what I would recommend you do is click on this visit site and then it will take you to your website, and then this URL here is going to be your URL that you can share with people. So if someone wants to then go to this URL, it will then take them to your website. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.